This Liberia Ninja again. You see the plumbing work. Nobody will do you give you the best. And the plumbing with the install in the kitchen. I'm going to tell you look my camera. I see Liberia Ninja now. You did enjoy Liberia Ninja, where? You say I swear.
Best side.
Liberia Ninja.
Best floor.
Now forever. You don't go do your work, make you complain. Unless you know our value. If you miss us, you lose. How you see it? You never work here, we see they come. The person do rubbish work. Rubbish. And they call us to come install to do everything back, and we can't to do it. You see all the condemn. We come here to condemn a lot of things, and we do a lot of things are coming. And Liberia Ninja will give you the best. This one here, everything condemn, nothing work here again. We condemn everything because the person do nonsense work. But Liberia Ninja, I ain't gonna give you this. The condemn part.